Welcome, Bike. If you're dreaming of studying in Canada, this video is a must-watch. Huge changes have just been announced for the 2026 study permit rules, and they could impact your plans. Whether you're eyeing Toronto, Vancouver, or any other Canadian city, it's essential to understand them before you apply. So today, I'm breaking everything down in simple terms. I'll explain what is changing and share tips to help you stay ahead and make your application successful. Canada has always been a top destination for international students, thanks to its amazing education, welcoming communities, and great post-graduation opportunities. The government constantly updates its rules to keep the process fair and efficient, and the new 2026 rules are a big part of that. Let's dive into the first big change: eligibility criteria. Before, you mostly need an acceptance letter, proof of funds, and a clean background check. Starting in 2026, the requirements for financial proof and academic qualifications are getting stricter. You'll now have to show more detailed evidence that you can pay for your tuition and living expenses for your entire program. This isn't just about bank statements anymore. It might include sponsor letters, detailed financial plans, and even proof of income from the last few years. The goal is to make sure students can support themselves without needing public funds. Another major update is about your academic background. The new rules stress that you must have completed relevant qualifications. For example, if you're applying for a master's degree, the authorities will look closely at your undergraduate transcript and course content to ensure it aligns with your chosen program. This is to reduce cases where students switch fields in ways that don't make academic sense, leading to better outcomes for everyone. Language proficiency is also getting an update. While IELTS and TOEFL are still standard, Canada will start recognizing alternative language certifications for some programs in 2026. You might also need slightly higher scores depending on your level of study. This ensures you can handle the academic environment and reduces the risk of struggling with your courses. Now for some great news. Work permits and post-graduation work opportunities are getting an upgrade. The new rules make the link between your study program and work opportunities much clearer. If your program includes a co-op or internship, you might get a faster route to obtaining a work permit during your studies. This is fantastic for gaining Canadian work experience and boosting your employability after graduation. One of the most exciting changes is the new digital study permit system. While online applications are already a thing, the 2026 system aims to be faster, more transparent, and less prone to errors. You'll be able to track your application in real time, upload documents securely, and get instant updates. The system will even send automated reminders for things like visa renewals. This will be a huge relief, reducing the stress and uncertainty of the application process. The duration of study permits is also being adjusted. Previously, permits were usually issued for the length of your program plus a few extra months. From 2026, the duration might vary, depending on the institution and program type. For instance, shorter vocational programs may get permits that match their exact length. This change is designed to make the rules fairer and prevent misuse of the permit system. The new rules also place a stronger focus on program integrity. Canada wants to ensure students enroll in credible, recognized programs. This means applications from institutions with past compliance issues could face extra scrutiny. So it is more important than ever to carefully research your institution and make sure it is on the government's recognized list. Health and insurance requirements have also been updated. All international students need health coverage, but the 2026 rules are more specific about what types of insurance are acceptable. You'll need to provide proof of valid coverage that meets minimum standards, including for emergencies and hospitalization. This protects you and reduces the strain on Canada's healthcare system. There's also a significant change for dependents. While you can still bring your spouse or children, the process is becoming smoother but also stricter. You will need to provide clear proof of your financial ability to support your family and meet additional documentation requirements. This is crucial for families planning to move to Canada together. The Canadian government is also adding new rules about academic progression. You must maintain satisfactory academic performance to keep your study permit. Before, this was less strictly enforced, but now you could face permit cancellation if you don't meet minimum academic standards. So, staying on top of your studies isn't just about grades, it is about maintaining your legal status. Furthermore, Security and background checks are becoming more thorough. This could include checks on your immigration history, criminal records, and even social media. These steps help maintain a safe environment for everyone in Canada. So, what does all this mean for you? First, preparation is everything. Start gathering your documents, strengthen your financial proof, and make sure your academic records are complete. Second, always check the official Canadian immigration website for the latest updates, as rules can change. Third, consider working with an authorized immigration consultant to ensure your application is perfect. For those worried about delays, the new digital system should actually reduce wait times, allowing you to plan your move with more confidence. If you're applying for 2026, timing is critical. Aim to submit your application at least 6 to 8 months before your program starts to avoid any issues. These changes also bring new opportunities. Students in in-demand fields like tech, healthcare, or engineering may see faster approvals or better work permit options. Aligning your studies with these sectors could be a very smart move. A common question is about the cost. With the new rules, you must prove you can cover tuition, living expenses, insurance, and more. It's a good time to create a detailed budget, look for scholarships, and explore part-time work options that comply with your permit. Even after you get your permit, stay informed. Canadian immigration rules can change, so follow official government channels and consult your school's international student office. These changes are ultimately designed to protect you and ensure you have a positive experience in Canada. So, if you're planning to study in Canada in 2026, start preparing now. Understanding these new rules early will give you a huge advantage. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be bringing you more updates on Canadian immigration and study opportunities very soon. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.